personal insight. Again, this is the most important section of the entire app. The most important section. For those of you guys who attended our weekend events and those who are attending our future weekend events, we spend the first 25% of our events going through these first like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. We spend the rest of the 75% strictly on personal insight alone. That's how important it is and how much effort we tell our students to put into that, because that is that important. You can have perfect grades, perfect activities, but terrible PIQs, you're going to get a no. But you have decent grades, decent activities, and amazing PIQs, that's how you get a yes. So personal insight questions, give you some tips. These are great tips. Again, I have said these tips over and over again for you guys. Do that. Continue. So again, they're going to give you 8 prompts to choose from. You pick 4. The 4 doesn't matter. So you pick whatever 4 you want. There's no good or bad. So pick any 4 that you like. Use those. When you're ready, click answer. And then let you answer. You have 350 characters. I recommend using as much of that as possible. So we have 1 done. Let's say I use this one as well too. Blah, blah, blah. Right? And then that's 2 done. 3rd one, blah, blah, blah. And then last one, this one, blah, 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 blah. And then boom, I have 4 done. And then we're good. You can't answer more. Click continue. Then it's going to ask you for any additional comments. This is 550 words for anything else. Anything else that you didn't get a chance to share in your entire application. A few don't do's. Don't do links. People like to put links here. Don't put links here. Don't try to sneak in the SAT or ACT in this section either. Don't use this as a 5th PIQ. Those are like the big no-nos. Don't do any of that. But if there's anything else you think the reader should know, this would be the perfect spot for that. Go ahead and click save, get to review, click review and submit. And then you have all of the things, right? You see how I can't click submit? The reason why is the earliest time this button goes live is October 1st. October 1st is when this app goes live. So because it's not there yet, you can still take your time to work on these, right? So as much as you guys want in these sections.